Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Activision email without verification, step by step. First, open Google and type Activision. Then click on the official website, activision.com. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the Support tab at the top and select either Online Services or Support Home. Both will work. Now, you'll need to sign in to an Activision account. If you can't log in to your main one, just create a new temporary account. We'll use it to contact support. Once you're signed in, look for Support Options. It will ask you to choose a game, platform, topic, and issue. Here's the trick that unlocks the hidden ticket form. For the game, choose Call of Duty Warzone. For platform, select Steam. For topic, pick Activision account. And under issue, click I can't unlink an account, even if that's not your exact problem. After that, you'll be taken to a page that says, we suggest the following options. Ignore that part and scroll down, you'll see a small link that says Submit a ticket. Click it. Now you'll see the support form. In the description box, explain your problem clearly. Mention that you've lost access to your old email, can't verify, and need help changing your Activision email. Be polite and detailed. When you're done, click Submit. Within a few days, Activision support will reply to the email connected to your new account, and they'll help you recover or update your original one. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.